Hey guys, what's up? It's Anthony here, and today I'm making a video about my first impressions of my brand new Mavic 2 Pro. I'm gonna take the Mavic to the park, I'm gonna fly it. Now, just to give you a little background, I normally use the Phantom 4 Pro. I am new to the Mavic series. Prior to me getting this Mavic 2 Pro, I had never flown a Mavic in my life, so that's why you should watch this video. Portability is the number one thing with this drone. This drone folds up, it's so small, it's easy to bring around with you. The controller is small. With my Phantom, it's big and bulky, it requires to go in a case, and the controller is huge. So this is gonna be huge for me to have this type of portability. At the same time, not give up picture quality. Number two, the Mavic 2 Pro has omnidirectional sensing. I'm used to the Phantom 4 only having it on the front, back, the left and right side and the bottom, whereas this guy has it on the top as well. So that's really gonna help when you're flying under a bridge or into tight spaces. Now, the third thing I noticed is that this drone does not shoot 4K at 60 frames per second. It only shoots 4K at 30 frames per second from what I noticed. It's not the end of the world. It would have been nice to have 4K 60 for sure. So without me talking anymore, why don't we bring this thing to the park, get it in the air, take some shots with it. It's a beautiful day in Arizona right now, but the only thing is that it's very windy. It's 17 miles per hour wind, which means we're gonna have to be careful. It means that this is gonna be a good test on how the Mavic 2 Pro can handle the wind. You can actually look out the window and see some of the plants blowing. I don't know if I should be doing this today, but I guess I'm gonna. All right guys, so I just got to my car. I just bought this brand new Bentley Bentayga. Actually, I'm joking. I wish that Bentley Bentayga was mine, but this is mine right here, this lovely Ford Fusion. Hey guys, so I just got to the park and it is a cloudy day today, but it's okay. We're still gonna get some good shots. So look at that, I can grab my drone and my remote with one hand. I mean, I could do that with my Phantom 4 too, because I had a way of holding the remote and the drone in one hand, but this is way easier. So it is a little windy. I apologize if the audio is like kind of shitty, but I am out here in this big open field, perfect and safe place to fly with our new drone. Okay guys, so I just landed the drone. I didn't quite finish the battery because it's windy, but I almost did, which says a lot about this drone. That flight was very, very successful. The wind speed is 17 miles per hour, which tends to mean that up in the air, it's double the speed. That's incredible that this drone could handle those types of wind speeds, being small and with the way that it maneuvers. It's flat, so I was worried that the wind would grab it and like flip it upside down or some weird shit like that, but no, it actually handled it pretty well. One thing I did want to point out here are these props. These are incredible. They are as long as the Phantom 4 Pro props, but they can actually fold just like this, and it makes it super portable and easy to bring this drone around to different places. I really like these props a lot. Yeah, I would say today was a very successful flight with the Phantom, not the Phantom, the Mavic 2 Pro. Also guys, be sure to follow me on Instagram at AntsDrone, ANTS_drone. I have new posts daily and lots of cool content, so definitely check it out. Hey guys, I will see you in the next one. Peace out.